Creating a Google Business Profile, formerly known as Google My Business, is a great way to manage your business online presence and improve visibility to the Google search maps. How can you do it? It's simple. Go to the Google profile pages of you can create manage now. You can sign it with your account, use your business email if you have one. Now you can enter a business name to Google. If not, you can click on add business to Google, enter the name and the business category, for example, cafe, software company, and stuff. Now you can decide if you want to add physical location, store, office. If yes, you can add address. If you want to provide a customer service to their location, you can deliver or deliver goods and service and stuff. You can add contact details and website. You can verify your business. Google requires verification. You can postcard by mail, or you can phone or email. You can use instant verification by Google Search Console. So this is how you can manage your Google Business Profile, and you can make it publicly visible or confirm your all the address and different details that is required to set up your business profile of Google My Business.